This competition dirt bike is full of 3D printed parts, but they were designed for injection molding. Cobra Moto makes competition off-road motorcycles for juvenile riders, and this is their first EV product, a fully electric dirt bike. In order to introduce it quickly, they did not wait for injection mold tooling. They 3D printed the components they needed, some of which will be molded sometime in the future as they go into production. But the 3D printed components on this bike include the throttle housing, the kill switch, the air diverter, skid plate, motor cover, a panel that looks like a gas tank but actually helps to divert air over the control electronics. And it even has battery separator components made through FDM on desktop 3D printers. The reason for all of this 3D printing is time to market. The wait for injection mold tooling is too long. This will go to market. Riders will begin competing with it very soon. And over the course of, say, the next 2 years, one component after another will shift to injection molding as the mold tooling becomes available. Although some components make sense to continue to be 3D printed. Most of these 3D printed components are made through Multi-Jet Fusion on HP's Multi-Jet Fusion platform, and smaller components like the throttle housing, it is very cost effective to build them at the rate of, say, 200 per build and just continue in production with 3D printing as the platform.